Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the power of words and how choosing the right ones can make all the difference. We'll be looking at a sentence and explaining why certain words fit perfectly while others don't. Let's get started. Our first sentence is, while the role, latter, counterpart, following, involves seeking input, the best choice is latter. Why latter? We choose latter because it is the most suitable option to contrast with the former when referring to the second of two mentioned items. For example, first, you can choose to study alone, which allows you to focus without distractions. The latter option is to study with friends, which can make learning more interactive and fun. Why not the other options? Role. Meaning, a part played by a person or thing in a particular situation. Reason for not choosing, this does not fit the context of contrasting two communication styles. Example, the role of a project manager is to oversee the project and ensure it meets its objectives. Counterpart. Meaning, a person or thing that has the same function or position in a different place or situation. Reason for not choosing, this does not fit the context of contrasting two communication styles. Example, the CEO met with his counterpart from the rival company to discuss a potential merger. Following. Meaning, coming after or as a result of. Reason for not choosing, this does not fit the context of contrasting two communication styles. Example, the following day, the team gathered to discuss the project's progress. That's it for today. We'll discuss the next blank in tomorrow's video. If you're learning and enjoying our content, please show your support by subscribing, liking, and sharing with your loved ones. See you in tomorrow's video.